How to create a Facebook business page without a personal account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to facebook.com. There is no one way to create business page without a personal account. So click on create account and then add your first name, last name. Make sure it's business. Then add your birthday, gender, your email, password, and click on sign up at the bottom. After that, it will sign you up with this email ID and create your account. Now on the left side, scroll down. Scroll down till you find see more option in here. Click on it. Then again scroll down and click on pages. In pages, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on create new profile or page on the left side. Then click on public page and next. Get started. Then on the left side add your page name, category of your business, bio, and then press on create page at the bottom and your page will be created. Make sure you don't add your personal email, name, or any picture on this personal account. This is how to create a Facebook business page without a personal account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.